It was a bright sunny day in the park.
Wow, what a beautiful day!
Yeah, look at that squirrel!
So cute! Hey, wanna go on the slide?
Yes, let's race!
Okay, ready? I'm ready!
Aina! Let's race to the big tree!
Okay, but I will win!
Whee! Here I go! That was so much fun!
Suddenly they heard a strange sound.
Allie, did you hear that?
Yes! The sound came from behind that tree!
Really? Let's go see! Oh no! The puppy looks scared.
Don't worry, little puppy. We will help you.
Allie and Aina started searching for the puppy's home.
Woof! Maybe that red house is my home. Woof! Maybe that red house is my home.
They knocked on the door.
Oh, this is not my home. Don't worry, we are your friends.
We will keep looking for your home.
What? I remember! My house is yellow!
Look, Aina! A yellow house!
The puppy ran toward the house.
Bella! There you are!
Thank you, Allie and Aina.
Goodbye, little puppy!
Helping others makes the world a happier place.